व्हाट आर दीज इंटेलिजेंस? अब उसको हम जब एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, म्यूजिकल सेंसिटिविटी टू इंडिविजुअल tones and phrase of music, and understanding of ways to combine tones and phrase into larger musical rhythms and structures, awareness of emotional aspects of music, all comes under musical intelligence. Bodily or kinesthetic intelligence comes under use of one body in a highly skilled ways for expressive or goal directed purpose, capacity to handle object skillfully. एक व्यक्ति के पास उनकी क्षमता है एक वस्तु को अच्छे तरीके से स्किलफुल वे में हैंडल कर सकता है। एक व्यक्ति अपना बुद्धि को म्यूजिक और म्यूजिकल जो टोन, रिदम और राइम और उसमें से सुर, लय, ताल को पकड़ने के लिए अच्छा बुद्धि रखता है, गुण रखता है, वो म्यूजिकल। इंट्रापर्सनल एबिलिटी टू नोटिस द मेक distinction among the moods, temperaments, motivation and intentions of other people and potentially to act on this knowledge. Intrapersonal access to one's own feelings, ability to draw one's emotion to guide and understand one's behavior, recognition of personal strengths and weakness. Intrapersonal, it establishes the motivational or behavioral aspects within the group, within different groups. Or intrapersonal, it means to recognize the personal strength or weakness in the same groups or one behavior in the within the group. Under naturalistic sensitivity and understanding plants, animals and other aspects of the nature. ये प्रकृति में जीव जंतु है, उद्भिद है, सभी जीव नेचर को लव करना, सेंसिटिव अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्लांट्स, सेंसिटिव वे में किसी प्लांट्स और ट्री को समझना, कोई एनिमल्स को समझना एवं अदर जो नेचुरल पार्ट्स है एनवायरनमेंट की उसको समझना, समझने के लिए जो बुद्धि है दैट इज naturalistic intelligence. Existential sensitivity to issue related to the meaning of life. अंतिम स्तर में स्पिरिचुअल, स्पैटियल, आध्यात्मिक रूप में जो बुद्धि है, जो ये जीवन यह है, ये मृत्यु सत्य है, ज्ञान क्या है, हम मोक्ष प्राप्ति करें कि हम क्यों आए, हम क्या है, कौन है, क्यों कर रहे हैं, इस तरह का जो आध्यात्मिक जो चिंतन है वो एग्जिस्टेंशियल बुद्धि के अंतर्गत आता है। द क्वेश्चन arises, should we use the word intelligence to describe all valuable skills like doing calculus, speaking 6 different languages, being able to make the throw from home to second? If we do, then Gardner is correct. The question arises in our mind, the intelligence to describe all valuable skills or not. If yes, the Gardner is correct. If no, the Gardner is not correct. People do how many unrelated kinds of intelligence are there? Now we have changed the definition and meaning of intelligence in other way. Gardner's theory has prompted researchers to begin examining other non-traditional aspects of intelligence. The best known is emotional intelligence. Each and every individual has some emotional traits. One has low or very few tolerance ability. One has very high temperamental. One speech is very slow and sweet. One speech is very rude and cruel. Is there any emotional intelligence? There is some discrepancy between person to person. How is intelligence measured? It is a question. Intelligence testing today, I didn't have A number 2 A number, 2 pencils, so I used to 2 number of 1. The first intelligent test was created by Binet and Simon using simple tasks to distinguish children who would do well in school from those who would not. Simon Binet पहला बुद्धि परीक्षण किए थे. Binet and Simon used mental age to distinguish bright from dull children. उन्होंने विद्यार्थी का दो प्रारूप बनाया, कुछ तो ब्राइट जो एडवांस लर्नर्स हैं, कुछ डल जो स्लो लर्नर्स. उन्होंने मानसिक आयु के आधार पर ये सब डिस्टिंग्विशन. यह प्रश्न है व्हाट इज आईक्यू. आईक्यू और इंटेलिजेंस क्वोशिएंट. लुइस टर्मेन revised Simon and Binet test and published a version known as Stanford-Binet test in 1916. Initially, in 1905, Simon and Binet administered the psychological test relating to intelligence, but gradually, Simon and Binet test was published and revised Stanford-Binet test in 1916, which performance was described as an intelligence quotient IQ, which was simply the ratio of mental age to chronological age multiplied by 100. Mental age मानसिक आयु, chronological जो actual age है multiplied by 100, ये इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन का रूप है. हम इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन को इस प्रकार की मेजर करेंगे जो टर्मेन ने दिया. Stanford Binet IQ test. This test measures things are necessary for school success, understanding and using language, memory, the ability to follow instruction and computational skills, etc. Binet's test is a set of age-graded items. Binet assumed that children's ability increase with age. These items measure the person's mental level or mental age. Age is the major factor in the intelligence. Adaptive testing determines the age level of most advanced items that a child could consistently answer correctly. Children whose mental age equally their actual age or chronological age were considered to be the regular intelligence. There are the test of intelligence quotient. Those persons, जो व्यक्ति और जो विद्यार्थी की मानसिक आयु और उनकी एक्चुअल आयु की साथ सिमिलर है, हम उसको आप कहेंगे ये रेगुलर इंटेलिजेंट चाइल्ड. Sample Stanford Binet test item, name object from memory, complete analogies. Fire is hot, ice is also hot. Fill in the blanks. Fire is hot, ice is dash. Identify object of similar shape. Answer simple questions. Why do we have schools, etc. ऐसे प्रश्न हम इस टेस्ट के अंदर में मिलता है हमको. Define the simple words. Explain differences between a fish and a horse. Identify missing parts of a picture. Count out object, etc. Answer questions about a simple story. Explain similarities and difference among objects. Tell how to handle certain situation. Finding a stray puppy, etc. Define more difficulty words. Give explanations about why people should be quiet in a library. List as many words as possible. Repeat 6-digit numbers. Identify more difficulty verbal and picture absurdities. Repeat 5-digit number in reverse order. Define abstract words, sorrow, fill in a missing words in a sentence, etc. comes under also the test. For the adult, supply several missing words for incomplete sentences, repeat 6-digit number in reverse order, create a sentence using several unrelated words, describe similarities between concepts, etc. Measuring intelligence, any age, children who are average will have IQ of 100 because their mental age equal their chronological. हम सामान्य वर्ग की विद्यार्थी को इस प्रकार की व्याख्या करेंगे कि जिनकी मानसिक आयु उनकी एक्चुअल आयु के साथ बराबर है तो हम उनको सामान्य वर्ग में लेते हैं. Roughly 2/3 of children will have an IQ score between 85 and 115. It means 50 से 115 के बीच में 1/3 स्टूडेंट्स आ जाते हैं जिनकी IQ 85 से 150. Approximately 95% will have score between 70 and 130. We diagrammatically, as a normal probability curve way, we represent the whole intelligent quotient score. In the corner, in the left and right, 0.13%, sigma mean to 1 standard deviation, mean to minus 3 standard deviation and plus 3 standard deviation. And in between minus 2 standard deviation and plus 2 standard deviation 2.15%. And in between mean and plus 1 standard deviation 13.59 and mean plus minus 1 standard deviation 13 plus 59 and in between minus 1 and plus 1 there is a 64.26%. In between minus 2 standard deviation to plus 2 standard deviation 95.44 and in between minus 3 standard deviation and plus 3 standard deviation 99.74. IQs are represented as a normal probability curve that has been displayed. Intelligent quotient. This summary is used to inculcate a child's intelligence relative to others of the same age. IQ tests measure an individual's probable performance in school and similar setting. An IQ test measures performance, but an IQ test doesn't explain performance. A 5 minutes of IQ test, water lilies double in area every 24 hours. At the beginning of the summer, there is one water lily on a lake. It takes 60 days for the lake to become covered with water lilies. On what day is the lake half covered? It is a question. Only it takes 5 minutes IQ test. A farmer has 17 sheep. All but 9 break through a hole in the fence and wander away. How many are left? It is another question. There are 5 questions and it takes 5 minutes. If you have black socks and brown socks in your drawer mixed in a ratio of 4:5, how many socks will you have to take out in order to have a pair of the same color? It is another question. With a 7 minutes hourglass and 11 minutes hourglass, how can you time to boiling of an egg for 15 minutes? Washington is to 1 as Lincoln's is to 5 or 10 or 15 or 50. These are 5 questions. It will take time 5 minutes only for the IQ test. It is a sample question to test how the IQs of any individual. How did you do? One day 59, remember it doubles every day. 9 shifts, it is just a matter of careful reading. 3 socks, the ratio information is irrelevant. Allow both glasses to drain simultaneously. As soon as 7 minutes glass empties, flips it over 7 minutes half expired, then flips it over again. After the 11 minutes glass empties, 11 minutes have expired, 15 minutes will have passed when the 7 minutes glass empties. This is the answer. How you solve 1, 2, 3, 4 question and the 5 question, the answer of 5 question, the answer is 5. The task here is to realize that the relation is no the sequence of their residency, but which denominations of bills upon which each face appears. This is the answer. All answers will be solved intelligently and they must be known, and they will take only 5 minutes time. Another test used frequently are the Wechsler intelligence scale. Wechsler intelligence scale for children, 3rd edition, WISC, third, used with children 6 to 16 age group. Wechsler ने अपनी बुद्धि की परीक्षण 6 से 16 साल उम्र की बालक पर किया गया, ये थे. Wechsler adult intelligence scale थर्ड, Wechsler ने थर्ड adult के लिए भी एक स्केल बनाया, क्वेश्चनर बनाया, used with people 17 and old peoples के लिए. जिस व्यक्ति का 17 ईयर उम्र और ओल्ड के लिए भी Wechsler ने अपना बुद्धि परीक्षण बनाया और उनमें से ये कंसेप्ट को रखा गया. Provides a profile of someone's strength and weakness. Each test is made of 12 parts. Each part begins with the simplest questions and progress to increasingly difficult ones. Performance scales. There are 6 parts. Spatial and perceptual ability measure fluid intelligence. Verbal scales. There are 6 parts. Each test is made of 12 parts. Each parts are some simplest items and some complex items. Spatial and perceptual measure fluid intelligence, there are 6 parts. Verbal scale, 6 parts. General knowledge of the world and skill in using language. Measures crystallized intelligence, there are 6 parts. Verbal IQ is based on information. Measure a child range of factual information. For example, what day of the year is Independence Day? That is a question. कौन सा दिन इंडिपेंडेंस डे आता है, कौन सा तारीख में. Similarities measure a child ability to categorize. Example, in what way are wool and cotton alike? Arithmetic questions arises also. Measure the ability to solve computational math problem. For example, if I buy 6 cents worth of candy and give the clerk 25 cents, I would get dash back in change. Some vocabulary questions also framed in this test. Measures the ability to define words. For example, what does telephone mean? Telephone का अर्थ क्या है, उससे आप क्या समझ में आता है? टेलीफोन शब्द से टेलीफोन, इस शब्द को इंटरप्रेट कैसे करोगे, इस प्रकार की प्रश्न दिया गया. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, बोध, बोध प्रश्न है. बोध प्रश्न को भी इसके अंतर्गत लिया गया है. मेजर ऑफ एबिलिटी टू आंसर कॉमन सेंस क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इसके उदाहरण इस प्रकार के है. व्हाई डू पीपल बाय फायर इंश्योरेंस? हम फायर इंश्योरेंस क्यों खरीद करते? Digit span actually comes under in this category. Measure short-term auditory memory. You have to listen some words, some concepts, some audio waves, etc. Performance IQ based on coding. copying, marks from a code, visual, rote learning, picture completion, tell what is missing in a various pictures. Example, children are shown in a picture such as a car with no wheels and are asked what parts of picture is missing. There are some coding, copying marks. You have to visualize and wrote the code A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, etc. पिक्चर कंप्लीशन, हम कुछ छवि अधूरा छवि को पूर्ण करना है. एक कार है, उसमें व्हील्स नहीं है, पहिया नहीं है, और उस पहिए को बनाए और अधूरा पिक्चर को छवि को पूर्ण करिए. What parts of picture is missing? You have to find out. That is your intelligence. Picture arrangement, arrange the picture to tell a story. एक कहानी के आधार पर कुछ पिक्चर है, उसको आपने सही सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करिए. ये एक बुद्धि का प्रतीक है. ब्लॉक डिजाइन, अरेंजिंग मल्टी कलर्ड ब्लॉक्स टू मैच प्रिंटेड डिजाइन. फॉर एग्जांपल, यूजिंग 4 colors, 4 blocks, make one just like this. You have to print design 4 blocks, make one just like this. It is a block design. It is also intelligence. Object assembly, putting puzzles together, measure, non-verbals, fluid reasoning, etc. There is a puzzle. It is relating to the toy or color. For example, if these pieces are put together correctly, they will make something which is a meaningful picture or model. Go ahead and put them together as quickly as you can. There is some part of one model you have to rearrange in a meaningful way, in a sequential way, and there is the object. The Stanford Binet and the Wechsler intelligence schedule, Wechsler intelligence standard card third cannot be used to assess infant intelligence. It is meant for adult. ये adult के लिए है. ये इनफैक्ट और छोटे नन्हे मुन्ने गुड़िए और जो बच्चे हैं उनकी बुद्धि के आधार पर प्रश्न नहीं है. The Bell scales of infant development are often used for instant assessment. छोटे बच्चे के लिए हम जब बुद्धि परीक्षण करेंगे तो ये टेस्ट उनके लिए फिट नहीं होगा, मगर बेल स्केल्स इनफैक्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए बनाया गया है. ये आदि और अलग अलग चाइल्ड इंटेलिजेंस को मेजर करने के लिए टेस्ट बनाए. डू इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट वर्क्स अब arises the questions in our mind. Do intelligence test works? ये intelligence test, to answer this question we must examine reliability and validity. उनमें वैधता और विश्वसनीयता इस टेस्ट का है और नहीं है, एक प्रश्न है. What validity refers? Validity refers what it intends to measure, what it contends to measure, what it purpose to measure. ये जो टेस्ट जिस उद्देश्य के लिए है वो उद्देश्य पूर्ति करता है ना, यदि करता है तो हम उसको कहेंगे वैलिड टेस्ट. Reliability means the consistency, the result, the score, the performance, the achievement. एक टेस्ट में एक सब्जेक्ट की स्कोर, सेकंड टेस्ट में वही सब्जेक्ट का स्कोर और वही इंडिविजुअल का स्कोर, as it is same or not. Either the test comes under retest form or equivalent form or split half form or Kudo retardation form or interrelated form. But the reliability, it refers to the test consistency of the test result. The answer to this question we must examine either reliability and validity. Either both are maintained for the standardization of the test or not. how stable is IQ? Research suggests that intelligence is relatively stable from early childhood on. IQ scores tend to be very stable. IQ test at 4 and a second at 17 and 13, 17 to 13 points off or down. IQ test at 8 years and a second at 17 to 9 points off or down. IQ test at 12 years and a second at 12 to 7 points up or down. The closer together in time that IQ tests are given, the more consistent, stable the score. Before we discussed about the reliability, either the test score or the IQ of the child consistently shown in a consistent form or not, in a stable form or not. If stable, then the test is high reliability. Does test score really measure intelligence or not? This is a question of validity, what it intends to measure. Does the test measure what it claims to measure? Most test developers argue that their tests are valid measures of intelligence by showing that test scores are related to children's grade in school. Those tests performed are designed or prepared by the psychologists to assess or to measure intelligence that must be valid because they have some purpose they can fulfill. If fulfill, then the test has good validity. There are so many parameters, threads you have to follow to standardize the test from the teacher-made or the self-made test. The test has it is validity, it has high reliability, it has objectivity and norms. Then we can say the test has good usability and the good or the standardized form of the test it is used for all. Factors that influence intelligence. There are so many factors कुछ घटक उस इंटेलिजेंस को प्रभावित करने वाला घटक है उसको हमने निम्न में वर्णन कर रहा हूँ. Factors influencing intelligence, the child influence. It is a genetical, genotype, environmental interaction, gender, etc. Child influence through his or her genetic effects, hereditary effect, वंशानुक्रमिक, genotype, environmental interaction, gender. It is feminine or masculine, both are comes under a genetic process. The immediate environment's influence. There is two basic factors which influence intelligence. One is heredity, another is environment. Environment, the child has two types of environments. एक तो परिवार की वातावरण और दूसरा है विद्यालय की वातावरण. फैमिली एनवायरनमेंट एंड स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट. विद्यार्थी और बालक को स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट में कैसे एडप्ट करना है, कैसे समायोजित करना है और अपना परिवार की जो वातावरण उसमें कैसे समायोजन करना, ये दोनों बालक की बुद्धि पर प्रभावित करता है. द सोसाइटी इन्फ्लुएंस, द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ third factors which influence to the child intelligence, that is societal influence, poverty, race, ethnicity, etc. Economical condition, there is some social structures in the society. They have some influential background, some racial background, some stratification, some economical strata. There is some identity of the individual in the society. There are haves and have-nots. There is a gap in the society. There is some relational gap in between individual and his society. Man is a social animal shared by Aristotle. Without the society, there is no existence of the man or the child. So, definitely the child adapt to the society. Gender. Boys and girls tend to be equivalent in most aspects of intelligence. The average IQ scores of boys and girls are virtually identical. The extremes, both low and high ends, are overrepresented by boys. Boys and girls tend to be equivalent in most aspects of intelligence. The average IQ scores of boys and girls is virtually identical. They are correlated. Girls as a group tend to be stronger in verbal fluency, in writing, in perceptual speed, starting as early as the toddlers of years. Girls as a group, boys and girls, though both are identical beings, boys as a group tends to be stronger in visual spatial processing, in science and in mathematical problem solving, starting as early as age 3. Boys has analytical powers, reasoning power to solve any problems. Boys has some the body power, physiological power to solve any work, to do any work. But girls has tolerance power, fluency, in soft fluency, etc. in a different angle, but not in kinesthetic or physiological intelligence. In the comparison of boys and girls, boys are more intelligent in the research study provided by Simon Bennett. Boys are more intelligent than girls because girls are too much tolerance power, language efficiency, fluency, soft fluency, and decision making. But boys has physiological powers, physiological intelligence, it is known as kinesthetic intelligence, and analytical power to solve any mathematical problems, etc. In schooling, another factors which influence child's intelligence, attending school makes children smarter. Children from families of low SES and those from families of high SES make comparably gain in school achievement during the school year. There is two parts, one is school, another is family. In between the child is the mediator in between family and school. How they perform, how they adjust, how they adapt in both of the place. That is his intelligence. What about during summer break? Children from families of low SE have a drop in achievement score. Children from families of high SE standard have achievement scores that stay constant or rise slightly. There is some distinguished difference between high efficiency schools and low efficiency schools, and high standard of living of the child and low standard of living of a child. There is a barrier of economic background. Poverty. Poverty is another factor which influences intelligence of the child. There are some gaps. Haves and have-nots feelings are there. Some people are from rich family and some are very poor family. The the child who belongs from the poor family, their minds always focused relating to the economical upliftment. They can't fulfill their basic needs or desires. Not a spare meals in a spare pack for a day. Their intelligence suppress in that way. The more your children spend in poverty, the lower their IQ tends to be. Children from lower and working class homes average 10 to 15 points below their middle class age mates on IQ tests. In many countries, children from wealthier homes or high class family score better on IQ tests than children from poor homes or the students from very low poverty families. The greater of the gaps in wealth in a country, the greater the difference in IQ scores. Poverty also continued in that manner. Chronic inadequate diets can disrupt brain development. You diet जैसे अर्न ऐसे मन. आपकी बैलेंस डाइट है तो आपकी मानसिक विकास और वृद्धि उस प्रकार की. Chronic inadequate diet can disrupt brain development. आपकी मानसिक विकास में आपकी बैलेंस डाइट की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण है. यदि डाइट में आपकी कुछ कमी है तो आपकी मानसिक संतुलन, मानसिक विकास और शारीरिक विकास, आध्यात्मिक विकास आदि संभव में कहीं ना कहीं बाधक है. Chronic or short-term inadequate diet at any point in life can impair immediate intellectual functioning. Reduced access to health service, poor parenting and sufficient stimulation and emotional support can impair intellectual growth. Race and ethnicity also another factor which influence child's intelligence. The average score of Euro-American children is 10 to 15 points higher than that of Africa-American children. There is some racial or ethnicity gap. The average IQ score of Latino and American-Indian children falls somewhere in between those of Euro-American and African-American children. There is some racial discrepancy. They also influence their intelligence and the capacity or the growth of intelligence of the child. The average IQ score of Asia American children tends to be higher than any other groups in the USA, United States of America. आपकी जाति और स्तर विद्यार्थी की मानसिक विकास पर आता है. जैसे अफ्रीकन और अमेरिकन और अमेरिका इंडियन, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन, इंडिया अफ्रीकन, इंडो अफ्रीकन, etc. Some class, racial class, it will completely influence their intelligence and the growth of intelligence. Race and ethnicity continues in another way. American Indian children better on the performance part than the verbal part of an IQ test. Latino children better on the performance part than the verbal parts of an IQ test. Asian American children better on the performance part than the verbal parts of an IQ test. African American children better on the verbal parts than the performance part of an IQ test. Overall, there is some differences. There are some differences in IQ score of children from different racial and ethnic groups describe children's performance only. in the environment in which the children live. यह प्रश्न है जे बालक जो परिवेश में जो जातिक स्तर हो, जो सार्वभौम स्तर हो, जो स्थान हो, उसके हिसाब से उनकी बुद्धि और उनका बुद्धि के स्तर की विकास होता है. अब child's mind is just like a clean slate. Whatever you wrote on the minds of the child, that is printed. बालक एक स्लेट, सफेद स्लेट की तरह है. उसके ऊपर आप जो भी चीज लिख देते वो उसका माइंड में वो चीज आ जाती. स्तर, जाति, धर्म, वर्ण, लिंग के आधार पर उनकी बुद्धि का विकास और उनकी बुद्धि के स्तर की विकास संभव हो सकता है. कल्चर फेयर इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट, Raven's progressive matrix. Psychologist Raven's, they are provided the matrix which is relating to the culture. संस्कृति also बालक की बुद्धि के विकास में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है. सांस्कृतिक प्रदूषण हो रहा है, उसके इफेक्ट बुद्धि के विकास में भी आता है. A culture fair, a cultural radio test that would make minimal use of language and not ask for any specific facts. These matrix progress from easy to difficult items measure abstract reasoning. Even on culture fair test, Euro-American, Africa-American still differ. वो ये टेस्ट दो समूह में किया गया है. वो है अफ्रीका अमेरिकन ग्रुप चिल्ड्रेन और यूरो अमेरिकन ग्रुप चिल्ड्रेन. और ये दोनों में मानसिक स्तर और मानसिक बुद्धि में अंतर पाया गया है. ये रिसर्च कह रहा है. One reason culture can influence a child's familiarities with the interesting situation. एक कल्चर में और दूसरे कल्चर में जो भिन्नता है, जो एक व्यक्ति को अडॉप्ट होने के लिए जो सुराग जुगाता है वो डिफरेंट होता है. इसके आधार पर हमने बुद्धि का इंटरप्रिटेशन इस प्रकार के किए गए जो बुद्धि एक मानसिक क्षमता है व्यक्ति का और विद्यार्थी का, जो कि समय समय पर ऑफ बुद्धि समय के हिसाब से वंशानुक्रमिक है और पर्यावरण के आधार पर होता है. कल्चर बेस्ड है, रेशियल बेस्ड है, एथनिक बेस्ड है, स्कूल और फैमिली बेस्ड है. आप बुद्धि का विकास उस प्रकार के नहीं कह सकते. हम बुद्धि को उस प्रकार की रूप में लेते हैं. ये मानसिक संतुलन है, मानसिक समस्या का मानसिक क्षमता है जो समस्या का समाधान करता है, जो अपना सोसाइटी में उसको रहने के लिए, उनको समायोजन करने के लिए सुराग जुगाता है आदि है. और इसके विषय में बुद्धि और उसके जो सिद्धांत है और उसके अलग अलग जो थ्योरी है, हम कमिंग क्लास में इसके बारे में विस्तृत से वर्णन करेंगे. ये कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट जीन पियाजे ने क्या कहा, गार्डनर ने क्या कहा, स्पीयरमैन ने क्या कहा और आदि आदि ये जो विषय है. और थैंक्स.